300 years, the Cabasse family has been inextricably linked to music. Using the expertise of his ancestors who made string instruments, Georges Cabasse founded the company which carries his name and whose experience is renowned worldwide. Cabasse set up his research and development center in France, at the very tip of Brittany to be precise, where the various elements merged together within a network of businesses, universities, and institutes specializing in state-of-the-art electronic and communication technology. Its exceptional expertise and dynamic environment prompted the Canon Group to invest in the family business.
Notre appartenance au groupe Canon apporte à l'entreprise Cabasse l'assise d'un grand groupe international pour accompagner son développement, sa dynamique et sa croissance. Mais elle impose aussi que Cabasse fasse preuve d'une exigence de qualité et d'innovation identique dans l'univers du son à celle que Canon possède dans l'univers de l'image.
So now, Cabasse is a large team, a blend of high technology where traditional expertise and experience meet industrial production and processes. The research and development team is brought together at the Plouzané site under the management of Bernard Deballe.
Le développement chez Cabasse, c'est une sorte d'art technologique mariant un concentré d'innovation technique avec un design novateur. Tout ceci en s'appuyant sur le savoir-faire de la société en matière de fabrication de ces bijoux de haute précision.
A Cabasse speaker calls on the skills of 6 acousticians, 2 electronic engineers, 3 designers, and a project manager, as well as a prototype mechanic and a cabinet maker for the realization of its prototype. Each member in the Cabasse team has his own contribution to make. Each component of a speaker is specified for one simple goal: the most accurate acoustic reproduction of the recording, and is a complex construct of physical constraints, technical skills, and human experience. A coaxial loudspeaker from Cabasse, for many years the brand's flagship product, is therefore a collection of parts which have been specifically designed for this purpose and made from unusual and diverse materials. For example, the membranes of this loudspeaker are made from an extremely light, rigid material mainly used in aeronautics, which has undergone a specific Rohe-cell treatment. Once the theoretical calculations have been made and the design has been specified, a prototype mechanic and a cabinet maker make the parts and create a working prototype fit to check the researcher's studies.
La passion Cabasse pour la musique remonte au XVIIIe siècle avec mes ancêtres luthiers. Comme pour un instrument de musique ou encore un grand vin, la réussite d'une enceinte acoustique, c'est la rencontre de la maîtrise scientifique de l'ingénieur et du savoir apprécié du maître artisan.
The Lasfer speaker system, which built on work carried out since 1990, was created to meet every requirement of every kind of music. It is a subtle distillation of technology, design, human passion for music and sound, and mechanical and acoustic science. Its 4-way coaxial quadriaxial speaker, the only one of its kind in the world, its filtering module and digital sound processing software mean you can get a highly regular 60-degree diffusion cone for full coherency at the listening spots between direct and reflected sounds. The Lasfer speaker system is manufactured and assembled wholly on site at Plouzané. Those same quality requirements govern the design of every Cabasse speaker. The Cabasse team listens to each model scrupulously developed prototypes with a critical and uncompromising ear and decides on which modifications will be necessary. When all of these finishing touches have been made, the speaker receives its final approval. This last stage is the first stage of the manufacturing process by Canon production engineers and carried out in strict accordance with the brand's quality standards. Each speaker is assembled by a specially trained operator who has mastery of the manufacturing process from start to finish, from when assembly begins, possibly including making parts such as thermoforming the membranes, to the final check, which is done in an anechoic room. The flexible production process set up by Canon, its control over all the items in the supply chain, its expertise in terms of manufacture control, and its logistical performance guarantee Cabasse a fast response tailored to the needs of all its customers, even those who are the furthest away and the most demanding.
Cabasse poursuit sa croissance en France. C'est aussi une entreprise qui se développe très fortement et très rapidement au niveau international, distribuée dans une quarantaine de pays aujourd'hui. Pour cela, nous avons construit des gammes que nous avons souhaité adapter à tout type de clients. Voilà, c'est ce qui rend cette aventure réellement passionnante à vivre au quotidien.